I'm not the only one in this house that dresses up in crazy costumes. So does he. I crocheted him 2 Christmas costumes. I made him a nice little elfie collar and then a Santa hat with a beard. I made my bearded dragon a beard. I might be a little silly. It's time to take a look at Atreyu's bearded dragon Christmas costumes. Here is Atreyu's elf collar. I started off with a row of chains, then put single crochets into that. For the band here, same thing as what I did in the crocheted snood. Fed the pipe cleaner through it. This is for shaping and stability. Next we have 2 rows of V-stitches, and then the very end we have clusters with picots. If you want to learn how to do the V-stitches and this lacy part, check out last week's video on how to crochet snowflakes. Stay. Good boy! Here's your Christmas collar. We're going to put your collar on for a moment. Do you think you could come around this way? Like, no, Mummy. I want to go the other way. There. And now you won't walk into frame, huh? Come on. Good job. Such a good wiggly bottoms. There you go. Yes, you look lovely. Very nice. Such a good boy. Okay, now if you wanted to walk away, you could, because you look adorable. His Santa hat and beard. The red part of the hat is a cone. So pretty much exactly how I made my little witchy hat fascinator for Halloween. Along the bottom, popcorn stitches. If you want to know how to do those, they're part of my jack-o'-lantern costume. There is a little tiny pom-pom sewn onto the top. I'm going to keep that out of his reach. I don't want him to eat it. The chin strap, pipe cleaner, same thing that I used for his jack-o'-lantern costume at Halloween. Santa's beard is made up of popcorn stitches. The interesting pattern on this is because I alternate rows. So you're seeing the right side, then the wrong side, right side, then the wrong side of the stitches. Let's see if we can convince him to stay in frame.
Oh, you look so cute. There's your Santa hat.
Do you like your Santa hat and beard?
Oh, we're not sure yet?
He was on my other laptop. I figured it was easier just to bring the laptop. Hi! Oh. You were better yesterday with this. What's up? There we go. That's it. That's all. All done. You're adorable. You're the cutest little Santa lizard. Yes, you are. Smile for the camera. Oh, are you getting stuck on your beard? Okay, let's get you out. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. We hoped you liked this video. If you did, click that thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos, hit subscribe. Until next time, have fun and be creative. Okay, we're filming. No, you don't get to run away just because we're filming. Stay. Okay, Wiggly Bottoms, are you ready? I'll take that as a no. Do you think you could come around this way? Like, no, Mummy. I want to go the other way. And now you won't walk into frame, huh? You gonna climb up higher? You can climb up higher. I hope they can see you. You might be a little low. You gonna climb up some more? Okay. Ba-da-doop. There you go. Okay, let's try again. Take two. Where are you going? Usually you climb up. Until next time, have fun and don't climb away. Get a good grip, bub. That's it. Take two. Good job. Yeah, are you standing on the mic? Is that the thing you're doing now? Good job. Okay, let's take a look at how we did.